I will laugh at the world. No living creature can laugh except humans. Trees may bleed when they're wounded, and beasts in the field will cry in pain and hunger. Yet only I have the gift of laughter, and it is mine to use whenever I choose. I will cultivate the habit of laughter. Welcome to Flourish. I'm Diane Planidin, and you're in the right place if you're ready to create an inspired life. And we do so by working on our own personal development so we can be strong role models for those we love and mentor, for those in charge of our destiny. Yes, that's the next generation. So you want them to be successful. Today we're on scroll number 7 from Mandino's bestseller, The Greatest Salesman in the World. You don't have to be a salesman in order to appreciate this book. You just maybe need to have a dream, some hopes, some goals. What do you aspire to be? Whatever that may be. Just fill in the blank and read along or listen along. I don't read the book verbatim, but it's really a beautiful parody and it's kind of lighthearted, And this chapter is fun. You gotta laugh at yourself, you gotta laugh at the world, and you've got to have fun because when you're laughing, you can't be angry. It used to be a little trick I used on my child when he was little and something would be upsetting him. And somehow it would switch into a little giggle fest. We would start laughing at the absurdity of the world, to be honest, and the silliness of some things that go on. But back to Mandino's book. How can I laugh when confronted with man or deed which offends me so as to bring forth my tears or my curses? 4 words I will train myself to say until they become habit, so strong that immediately they will appear in my mind whenever good humor threatens to depart me. 4 words. He goes on to say, these words passed down from the ancients will carry me through every adversity and maintain my life in balance. These 4 words are, this too shall pass. Don't you just love that? This too shall pass. So when you are feeling a little challenged, remember those 4 words. You laugh at the world. This too shall pass. Some things are beyond your control. Focus only on those that you can control. Sure, have a voice, have a stance, have a say. Focus on what you're in control of, because those things that you're not in control of, well, they too shall pass. He goes on to say, I will paint this day with laughter. I will frame this night in song. Never will I labor to be happy. Rather, I will remain too busy to be sad. I will enjoy today's happiness today. It is not grain to be stored in a box. It is not wine to be saved in a jar. It cannot be saved for the morrow. It must be sown and reaped on the same day, and this I will do henceforth. And of course, this book is written in an ancient verbiage, even though it was written in the 60s. But you get the gist of it, right? Sown and reaped on the same day, I will do henceforth. And when adversity's sticking at you, remember, it too shall pass. And with my laughter, he says, all things will be reduced to their proper size. I will laugh at my failures, and they will vanish in clouds of new dreams. I will laugh at my successes, and they will shrink to their true value. I will laugh at evil, and it will die untasted. I will laugh at goodness, and it will thrive and abound. Thrive and abound. Who could ask for more? All smiles and giggles and laughter, and not to take everything too seriously, for this too shall pass. Henceforth, he says, will I shed only tears of sweat, for those of sadness or remorse or frustration are of no value in the marketplace, whilst each smile can be exchanged for gold, and each kind word spoken from my heart can build a castle. Yes, indeed. He goes on to say we do have to stay humble. We do have to, maybe don't let it get swept away, because then if you're not grounded, you won't be able to recognize what's really going on, maybe with the other person or just in your life. So stay grounded, stay smiling. He ends the chapter by saying, "And so long as I can laugh, never will I be poor. This then is one of nature's greatest gifts, and I will waste it no more. Only with laughter and happiness can I truly become a success. Only with laughter and happiness can I enjoy the fruits of my labor. I will be happy, I will be successful, and I will live a more inspired life."